Hello everyone and welcome to a very special midweek video to launch something very special that I've been building in the background for a very long time. If you're following along with my Southern Thailand series where me and Zelda are making our way all the way from Baitong to Bangkok, don't worry, those videos are still coming out every Saturday. I've just had to nip to Bangkok for a very important week because if you don't know, me and my wife recently bought a 3-bedroom apartment in central Bangkok, but it was very old, so we spent 6 months renovating it. And this week and last week was the final week of renovations and the week that we moved in, and it was very stressful, and I had to be here to help my wife settle in and to help finish decorating, and then I'll go back to my bike and continue the road trip series. So don't worry, episodes from the south coming at you every Saturday. Also, to announce something very special, which is Offreel. So Offreel is now live. I'm gonna keep this as short and sweet as possible. You can click the link in the description to go check it out and see if your favorite content creators are on there. If they're not, please share them this video, because the more content creators we get on board, the more successful this website and this web app will be. If you're a content creator yourself, create a profile and start, connecting to your audience and giving value, because this is the reason why I decided to help build this. Think of it as a place where you can get personalized advice from creators that you trust instead of hoping that they randomly see your DM. Simply choose a creator and then book that service and get personalized messages from them straight away. And if they don't reply in time or you're not happy with their response, you don't get charged anything. Because as a content creator, grew, it quickly became apparent that it was very difficult to stay connected to your audience just because there was too many people. There are loads of content creators that I look up to and I'd love to ask for advice. So I'll be using Offreel to hopefully reach out to them, just ask them some general questions on how they grew and what things they've implemented to, scale the business, that kind of thing. So for me, as a fan of other content creators, I think Offreel is going to be fantastic as well. I started to realize it's really hard to communicate to everybody because you just get flooded with DMs and comments and emails, so much so that I actually disabled DMs on Instagram and I took down my email address on my website just because I was getting so many messages every day. I just got overwhelmed and I had to focus my energy on the things that were really important to me, which was making the best videos possible, staying consistent and helping build a business around my social media. So yeah, if you've ever wished you could contact your favorite content creator and ask them a question directly, hopefully Offreel is going to do that. Most people aren't looking for generic answers on Google or AI. We're looking for expert knowledge in our field or in our niche, and we want real human answers from the people that we trust. Offreel is going to give the opportunity for everyone to connect and get the answers that they need from the people that they trust. For years, I've been getting questions about traveling Thailand and YouTube and cameras and algorithms. And the sad truth is I only get to see a very small percentage of those questions, and sometimes I don't have the time to respond to all of the ones that I see. So we've built something to fix this problem. Now, obviously I'm in the travel niche, but if you're watching this and you're a content creator in business, personal development, finance, whatever it might be, you can still go to Offreel today and create a profile, and you can start giving access to your followers, giving them personalized advice, some guidance, some feedback, maybe some recommendations. And if you're a content creator, Offreel is going to enable you to dedicate a little bit of time each week or every day, maybe on your walk in the park or your morning coffee, to have a look at see what messages have come in and give personalized responses straight away and earn a little bit of income at the same time. And we've been quietly working on this for months to make sure the experience is as best as possible. So Offreel is now live, and I, along with a few other content creators, are available to book today. I'm really looking forward to talking to you and hopefully helping some of you out with your trip to Thailand or your journey into content creation. And in a couple of months, I'll also share on this YouTube channel the journey of this condo renovations, but there is a playlist in the description below if you do want to see all of the behind the scenes, all of the raw videos and emotions that have gone into the purchase, the renovations and the move in is again linked in the description. Check out Offreel today. I'm so glad it's finally live, and I'll see you soon.